Good morning. Today I am at Guyi Garden in Jiading District, Shanghai. Here is the layout map of the Guyi Garden. It was built originally in Ming Dynasty, but I heard lots of things were rebuilt. But it's a typical Chinese private garden, which was owned by one rich family. Now it's a state-owned tourist attraction, but originally this was owned by one rich family for their private use. It's cloudy, so it's good for picture taking. Very peaceful. Typical Chinese garden made of rocks, trees and flowers, water, and man-made buildings. So it's a Taoist philosophy trying to achieve the harmony and balance between man and nature. Very beautiful area. This is a spot, very beautiful spot. Water, ducks, old buildings, and green trees and bamboos. Chinese garden, especially Chinese private garden, the purpose was to imitate the natural landscape. I think this one, they did a great job in this garden. Man-made corridor. It's corridor with a roof, so in hot summer day and in raining day, they could sit inside and having a cup of tea. Some nice Chinese architectures. Beautiful combination with natural elements. Another highlight in Chinese garden is the pavement of the floor. They use small pebble stones, ceramic tiles to make this beautiful patterns. This one, I think it's a fish and lotus. Another beautiful floor pavement. Nice. The floor is really nice. This is a Buddhist monument, Jingchuang. It was built in 875 in Chinese Qing Dynasty. This is the oldest relic in this garden, with beautiful Buddhist figures, carvings, and a lot of lotus flowers. Beautiful and tall. Cypress tree, but called the dragon cypress. I'm sure you can see why. The twisted body likes dragons. Shanghai city is very flat, so there is no natural mountains or hills. So the man made this to make hills. A hill is a must. And this is a building, looks like a boat in the water. Double pavilion, like twins, joined together. He Shouxuan, Pavilion of Queen Longevity. Queen, the bird, is a symbol of long life, longevity. So you can tell on the eve of the building, there are many symbols of cranes. So it's a He Shouxuan. Never seen eaves like this. Bonsai garden. There are some bonsais inside this small area. Beautiful bonsai. Nice little area. Look at the bonsai in different shapes, different size. Beautiful. And a lotus in a small pot. Wow, how nice. How nice is this lotus? Beautiful. Many Chinese gardens have a bonsai garden. I have been to so many of them, but this one really surprised me. It's quite nice. Beautiful bonsai and beautiful sceneries. Really like this garden. So green. Lots of bamboos. I love bamboo. This place reminded me of the Kyoto, the bamboo garden on Ashi something mountain. I forgot the name. Chinese 蓝山，京都蓝山的野竹林 looks like Chinese lattice window.